Hey, my name's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. Now, if you're watching this video, you want to know, what is a virtual assistant? So I'm going to assume, look, people watching videos like this are coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs or business owners or someone looking to start a business. If I'm right, then while you're here, take your finger of power, this finger right here, and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. I make new content every single day on growing, scaling and marketing a business. So I want you to join us on a journey of business growth, and this is the right channel for you. Now, I'm gonna help you in this video understand what is a virtual assistant and how they can help you in your business. But quickly, a little bit about me. Now, my name is James Nicholson. I've been in business 17 years now. I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur and as a business owner. And along the way, I've discovered something very special, which I call my business accelerator methodology. Now, that's a proven 5-step system that will help you take cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers who buy from you again and again and again. Now, I've documented that in my new book, Expert Mastery, which I will give you a free copy in the description. So do check out the description if you want to grab a free copy of Expert Mastery. Now, virtual assistants, what are they? Well, look, there's tons of things that you could be doing as a business owner. You could be doing accounts, you could be doing invoicing, you could be doing credit control, you could do marketing, you could do your social media, you could sell to your clients, you could deliver what you've sold to your clients. All of these things are really important as a business owner, that they get done by somebody. But you know what? It's not important that you do them as the business owner. And I want business owners to really understand that any task that can be done by someone for less than £10, you should be outsourcing. So you need to be, as the business owner, the big thinker. You need to be looking at the strategy in your business. What's going to take your company to the next level? Now, there's lots of stuff that's going to be really important there, but not every task you should be doing. So maybe you're going to think of what your next marketing campaign is, but maybe you don't implement it. Maybe someone else schedules that post on Twitter or LinkedIn or whatever platform it is that you're going to get using, right? That's where I want you to start thinking. Not what needs to be done, but who could do this in your business. Now, virtual assistants are the answer to this. And a virtual assistant is someone that you can hire to do all sorts of tasks. We've got a graphic designer that we have in our business. We've got an all-round virtual assistants. We've got telesales people. I've got tons of people in my business supporting me, taking my business forward and taking it to the next level. Now, I can't design graphics. I can have a go and I can try and figure it out, but it won't be as good as someone that is an out-and-out graphic designer. I can't call people and do sales calls every single day because it's exhausting, where I can hire someone to do that task for me and really run my business more efficiently than I can too. Now, there are tasks that I can do. I'm very good at Facebook ads and marketing, but why don't I train someone to do that for me? That gives me freedom to go and do the important things, which is selling in business. Getting customers is the most important things. I can also employ people to deliver what we've sold, right? That's really a key thing here as well. And so what I want you to do is just consider, what is it that a virtual assistant can do for you? And I've made this a little easier. I've actually got a guide on 51 tasks that a virtual assistant can do for you. And so in the description, I'll put a link where you can go and grab a free copy of this today. But think about this. If you keep doing the £10 tasks, the bookkeeping, scheduling stuff on social media, all of these tasks are taking up your time, they're tiring you out, and they're not allowing you to work on the most important stuff, which is getting customers and getting new sales in your business. That is why you need a virtual assistant, and that's what they do for you. They free up your time to grow your business in a much better way. Now, look, if this video has resonated with you in any way, I hope you got some value and it's got you thinking. Can you just give me a like? Just give me a quick, come on, massage that little like button over there. That helps with the YouTube algorithm greatly, and it will help get my message out to more people. So please do, while you're here, give me a like and go and grab that ebook and go and grab a copy of Expert Mastery 2. Let's figure this stuff out and let's take your business to the next level. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.